Brought to you by Line Haul Heavy Duty.
Hi, I'm Lee. I'm a technician here at Line Haul. What I'm about to do here is show you how to take off an old fan clutch top cover, replace it with the new one that we have over here. First thing is, drill out your centerpiece so you can actually, it's already been done, so what you want to do here is you just pop it off, take off your top cover. What you want to do is put it back down, clamp, it holds it in place. You got all these torque nut or torque bolts here. You want to loosen them up. And after you get done with that, we're going to clamp it here with some C clamps. And then once we do that,
What's the purpose of making sure you got a clamp on there?
so the springs in there don't fly up and hit you in the face.
Right.
It's called safety first, is what our motto over here is. And once we get that all tightened down, then what we're going to do is remove the bolts. So now we're removing our torque bolts. You want to break them loose with the ratchet first, and then put your C clamps on. Then you can take your impact here to get them out quicker. It's all about time. You definitely feel the friction. That's what happens right there. Remove that. And these are the springs I was talking about that will actually pop up, hit you in the mouth, face, injure your body one way.
In your airport. Put your hand over that.
So this concludes the tech tip of the week. Got to take apart and rebuild a fan. So thank you for watching. Come see us here at Line Haul Heavy Duty for your bumper to bumper needs. Have a good day.